Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting episode of Living Colors. Guys, freshwater snail can be fascinating to see in an aquarium. Hobbyists often add freshwater snail as a tank cleaner. The intent being that they will eat algae and keep the tank free from uneaten food and dead plant matter. But freshwater snail can be much more than that. There are a lot of varieties of aquarium snails available and each of them have their own diet and habitat. In our today's video, we will be discussing about top 5 aquarium snails. So let's not waste our time, we'll go to today's video. Guys, first on our list is Ramson snails. Ramsons are smaller species of snail and are sometimes considered pest. This is because of their high reproduction rate. However, they are excellent and have been bred to have interesting shell colors like red, blue and white. They are also available in reddish body color. They are easily available in pet trade and easy to breed. They help in keeping the algae down and eat the decaying plants, which will help your live plants. However, as with any snail, if there is not enough food in the tank, they will start to eat live plants. So it is important to supplement the diet if you see bite marks on your leaves. Next on our list is apple snail. Apple snail are native to America. They are excellent algae eater and they also eat decaying plants. They are slow to reproduce than any other aquarium snails. This does not mean they are challenging to breed since they will lay 200 to 600 eggs at a time. Unlike other snails, they require both male and female for breeding. Algae snails are available in several color varieties including gold, pink, blue and ivory. Many species will lay the egg above the water level. These snails are very common tank mates with betta fish and goldfish. Guys, next on our list is rabbit snail. Rabbit snail are slightly larger species of snail and are less commonly available and comes in different color varieties. Rabbit snails are native to India. There are many species of rabbit snail available. They are also an excellent algae eaters. However, if there is shortage of food, they can tend to eat the live plants. So it is required to ensure sufficient food for your snails. They are also very slow to reproduce. Rabbit snail will lay single egg at a time and the egg are often pearly white. Next on our list is Nairid snails. Nairids are often known for their boldy patterns. They are most well known for their diet including brown algae, diatoms. Most other algae eaters won't touch this brown algae, making Nairids unique and quite useful. They are another snail that will not reproduce in fresh water. Most commonly seen species of Nairid can live comfortably in both fresh and brackish water aquariums. While they do not successfully reproduce in fresh water, they will still lay egg. These eggs are white and highly calcified, which can sometimes be unsightly and can take effort to remove from glass and decors. Guys, last but not the least, we have assassin snail. Assassin snail are a whole unique snail to keep in your freshwater aquarium. They have a boldy patterned shell made up of yellow and black. They are longer in body shape, which allows them to burrow easily. This snail gets its name from its diet. They are also known as predatory snails. It will track down, kill and eat any aquarium snail it can. As you can imagine, this makes it an excellent choice for removing unwanted snail from your aquarium. As the population of this snail increase, you will need supplemental feeding in the form of bloodworms, shrimp, fish flake and other meaty frozen or dry food. They reproduce easily in tank but typically will not take over. This is an amazing species and an excellent choice to remove pest snail from your aquarium. Guys, with this we are ending our today's video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So see you soon with another interesting video.